I think I need timber for this one because behind me was once a pristine hill of sand, a dune, if you will. But thanks to these guys over here, it hasn't stayed pristine. Welcome to the Cape Route Rally, where fun is had by all, and these guys get up to a lot of mischief. And in case you're wondering about my t-shirt, that's part of the mischief. Travis, what the heck was that? It's on our screens at the moment. It seems like a terrible idea, but you just decided to send it, I would say send it to the moon, but you sent it straight down into Earth. What was it like?
Well, I didn't get hit by anything in the back, so it's in all right.
It ended well, which is the main thing.
Yeah. I don't know, I just fancied a challenge. I was like, it's got to happen. I can't copy some of these guys on 40-inch tyres and they're 700 horsepower. So if you're here and you're enjoying a moment, maybe make your own track. Rather than sit and watch, you can go and enjoy, you know? Like, and it was fantastic.
Tell me about it. I'm watching you guys go up and down here. But Travis, what brings you to this event and what brings you to Cape Town, South Africa?
So basically, I deal with a friend of mine, Anthony, a freight factory actually, and Motor Village. And basically, we've done business for many years together, and it's a very trusted man. He's actually the one that runs Cape Route Rally.
Yes.
And he said, hey, dude, I've seen you out in the desert on other rallies, and I've seen you do this, do that. Why don't you come across? And I said, well, it'd be good actually. Why don't you go and buy me a 100 series? We found one on Gumtree, is it?
Yeah.
And basically, I said, go look at it. If it's good, just buy it. And then I'll fly over.
Nice.
And then we'll have
and
a
you
go.
got the car waiting for you. You got the big tyres fitted. But other than the big tyres, what is done to the stock? Or
So luckily, some of Anthony's friends, they had spare 2-inch lift and some tyres, some used tyres.
Nice.
And I said, as long as the lockers work, we can get out and hit the desert and all the rocks and climb. If you'd seen some of the footage from yesterday.
that was gnarly yesterday.
Honestly, like.
So I also understand, as a drifter and drift fan myself, I understand you do a little bit of sliding in the UK?
Yeah, so not so much these days, but I used to be heavily into the drifting industry, never sort of made it professionally, like the big boys.
Yeah, but you won the pro circuit.
Yeah.
It's such a fun thing to do, eh?
It's a deep pocket.
It's a deep pocket thing. Tell me about it.
It's so deep that you could probably have one of these in each country and go around and live a little.
It sounds to me like that's what you're doing anyways. Well, lots more stories in the making. Thanks for the chat. And I think let's get back to some more obstacles there, Yeah, man, let's do it. It's 12 o'clock at night, and the guys are busy working on a problem that they've just discovered. It looks like the manifold's cracked on Ants Patrol over here, but that's not all. Not only has everybody jumped in to try and sort this car out at this time of the night, they've already sent through the spare car. This is how it goes down in the Cape Route Rally. And these guys stop for nothing. It's 12:30.
Yeah.
What's going on here, bro? Why am I still up? Why aren't I sleeping?
In true Cape Route Rally style, it's another late night.
Yeah.
It's night 3. On the Cape Route Rally 4x4 challenge. The first night, I went to bed at 4:30. We got in at 2. The second night, we got in at 9:30. I think I went to bed at 11. That was an early night.
That was an early night.
Now we've just come back from dinner, and the boys have decided that they're going to fix the problem on my car.
And this is the thing, and this was not, like, you use the word organic. This was not something, it's like, guys, what are we going to do? It's like, hey, man, we need to fix this. They are volunteering to be here. They don't want the night to end.
No.
But you got a spare car here immediately.
Yeah, so when we decided that maybe this is going to limp it not too far. We made the phone call. I've got another white Patrol, all stickered up, ready to go, just in case something like this happened.
Nice.
And, well, we went for dinner, and when we came back, it was
The
here.
Patrol was, yeah. But they're taking the manifold out now. We're going to weld it in the morning.
Yeah.
We might have a fixed car by the morning time.
And if we don't have a fixed car, maybe you're going to be driving a white Patrol.
I wouldn't mind either way.
Yeah, either way. So this is the ethos, this is the spirit, and we're lucky that we've got lots of shop owners here, and they know how to do this stuff, so...
I think we should have another drink, eh? Yeah, let's get another drink. I think we should do that. It's the morning after, and the guys are still busy fixing the van. We are about to hit the road, and our Toyota Raider 48-volt over here is ready to go. It's going to be another day of driving across some of the most incredible landscapes in the Western Cape, and then, of course, some very extreme 4x4. The geest of this event is really something special, and as you can see, the guys drew this beautiful heart for me on the side of the bakkie over here. They also drew what looks like a spaceship with some sort of mushroom tip on the top with 2 rockets at the bottom. Thanks, guys. Andries, this over here I've heard from Mr. Pay is your tow vehicle.
Yes,
It's not the actual speelding.
Yes, toy, yeah.
No, the speelding is a Lada Niva,
That's correct, yes.
but this is a Cummins flippin' truck-engined Patrol. Tell us about why.
I originally bought it for a tow vehicle to tow my toys around, but at the moment the toy isn't running, so we decided to take the tow vehicle on the trip.
Yeah.
And it's got a Cummins 6BT 5.9 motor in. They run in trucks and buses normally, so yeah.
Crazy, crazy. So this version of your tow vehicle has now become the toy, as we can see over here. Wat het hier gebeur? Julle ry net nie.
Yeah, we can't stop now. Ons kan nie nou koud maak nie, nou lekker. So,
And I see my favorite part of this vehicle is the not for sale sign, guys.
yeah,
Please,
it's not for sale.
this vehicle is not for sale. But if you can read the bottom part there, then
Then
you
we
speak-
can
speak to
talk.
Andries.
Then we can talk about it.
Before we go, Andries, we're about to hit the road again. I've got something I found for you. I've got a gift for you. I found it. I found it over here. This is for you. I think it's going to fit.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I can make it fit. Yeah, that might work. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm standing here with the man of the moment, JP Fourie. JP, the V8 shop, that's your place. And if you need V8 work done, this is your guy, because you guys have a whole bunch of conversions going. 800 kilowatt bakkie that's on your screen right now. This is the one that we're talking about now, that everybody's talking about. Hoeveel kilowatts het hierdie ding?
Hy staan nou op 0.6 bar boost toen hy 470 kilowatt en ek dink die torque was op 880. So dis en is 'n pomp petrol, daar's nou nie ethanol of methanol of iets daarbey nie. Dit is daily drivable. So
En hoekom nou I'm gonna see if I get this word right, single kajuit?
ek het die bakkie gehad. Dit was my ook so bakkie geweest. En ek het hy het 'n LS3 ingehad. Ek het die engine uitgehaal en vir iemand gegee. Ek het die stok gehad op my vloer nie gou vinnig verkoop. Toe staan hy net aan een kant en toe dink ek maar miskien moet ek nou iets doen met hom. Maar ek soek nou weer iets wat lekker is. Daai rooi bakkie met die 880 kilowatt het my lus gemaak vir my. Vir nog so iets wat ek kan daily ry en nie net as 'n reiskar nie.
So you've driven this car hundreds of kilometers. It's the first time out since the build is done.
Ja, ek het hom net verlede week klaar gemaak en dit is die heel eerste trip wat ek nou met hom doen. So dit was die eerste 2 dae was 'n bietjie elke gelykie en so aan. Dink ek wat's dit maar
My loop.
ek het actually geen probleem met die behalwe my kompressorpypie so ver wat nog gebars het van te veel wielerpomp, maar verder is ek nogal heel impressed.
Well done, well done. So, something I wanted to talk about. JP, your driving has impressed the whole crew here. You did some crazy stuff. Let's talk about that drop yesterday.
Ja.
Hoekom?
Dit is altijd, like, die gevoel was flipping awesome.
I can imagine.
Dit was erg awesome.
I hate going downhill like that. That's my least favorite.
Die bakkie val net en dan iewers moet jy plekkie kry om net weer rigting te kry en te stop, maar die gevoel is awesome. Dit
I saw this live. It was crazy to see. No ways! No way! When the problem happened with the patrol, you jumped in. We left the bar. Drankies neergesit.
Ja,
What was
ja.
there? I mean, I always say on a team, on a racing team, on a team like this, on a squad, you need a guy that's willing to jump in. You need a team that's willing to jump in. You seem to be that guy. What's that about?
Dit is maar net wat ek is, wat ek doen. As iemand sukkel is ek maar daar. Ek weet nie hoekom ek dit doen nie. Ek kan nie vir jou sê waar dit vandaan kom nie. Dit is maar net wie ek is. Dit is maar net waarvan ek hou. Dit is vir my lekker om te sien. Hy kan weer met sy kar in sy kar klim en hy kan die trip nog steeds saam met ons geniet en hy hoef nou nie 'n ander plan te maak nie. En ek dink dit is maar seker die rede.
Yeah. Well, on behalf of everybody else here, thank you. Thanks for the entertainment and thanks for the help.
No problem. Dankie.
Although I'm a bit more of a Ford and Toyota fan, the car that has stood out a lot here on this trip has been the Nissan Patrol. It's very popular in other markets, and Mike has spoken about the fact that the South African audience hasn't taken to it as much as we thought they would. This audience, though, loves this car. But to find out more about the Nissan Patrol, we're going to throw to our friend, the voice in the sky.
The Nissan Patrol is a series of off-road vehicles and SUVs manufactured by Nissan in Japan. It is Nissan's longest-running series of models, and incidentally, production kicked off in 1951, the same year as the Toyota Land Cruisers. Back in the 1950s, the Nissan Patrol was mainly manufactured for use in the military. The burly Nissan Patrol took the Guinness World Record for towing the heaviest plane with a production car in 2013, when it pulled a 170-ton cargo plane for a distance of 50 meters in the United Arab Emirates.
As you can see, our Toyota 48 Volt or 48V, I think is what the cool kids are calling it, went most places where some of these hardcore cars went too. At least we followed them in. I think next time I'm going to ask for the GR with the big tires to try and keep up with these guys and the big obstacles. But of course, it's got the proven Toyota reliability. So big shout out to Toyota South Africa for supplying the car for the trip. That's it from me for now, but I'm going to leave you with some of our favorite highlights from this epic Cape Route rally. Cheers for now.